Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wisdom of the Oracle Divination cards in the pocket sized. This is by Colette Baron-Reid with illustrations by Jena DellaGrottaglia, and it's a 52 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. I'm very excited to get into it, because we do have the original here, which we'll compare to at the end. This retails for $17.99 in the US and $23.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Colette Baron-Reid has expertly blended elements of traditional tarot and other ancient divination tools into a sacred communication system, Wisdom of the Oracle. The Oracle, whose faces gaze out from every card, acts as an intermediary between you and spirit, telling you your fate and destiny. This 52 card deck will allow you to interpret her messages about all aspects of your journey, with over 250 independent meanings within the guidebook. Imagery of animals, the elements of nature, and other potent symbols will initiate a soulful dialogue about your life. Consult the Oracle and know the way forward to peace, purpose, prosperity, and love. So this is an Oracle that, this one specifically is from 2015. So this has been around a while. But I absolutely love this. I love the imagery behind it. It's such a beginner-friendly Oracle too, so I'm excited that now they have it in a pocket size. So we have the box here, and let's check out the guidebook. Nice, the cards look the same on the back. Wow, okay. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be the same. I'm quite excited here. Okay, so we do have the table of contents. Nice. We have the about the cards. So what I love about this is that it takes a lot of different elements and throws it into the deck. So we have elements of I Ching, Norse runes, minor arcana of the tarot, and other oracles in here. But it also has different meanings per each card. So however you choose to focus on your reading, whether it's relationships, overall message, career/wealth reading, it's great. So we do have information, preparing for reading. Then we have 1 card reading questions, 2 card reading, 3 card, a clarity card, multiple card readings. So like I said, so we have essential meanings, the oracle message, relationship message, prosperity, and protection. So then it goes into like what they're about, what those specific readings are, example readings. And then I think that's about all we need to know. Yeah, and then it goes into the cards' meanings. Awesome. Okay, I'm excited. If you have this deck, because it has been around for a while, please let me know what your thoughts are about it in the comments. It's one of, like, it's a great overall deck to have. So it looks like it's the same type of cardstock. Yes, we are a gloss. Nice. There's the back. And let's get into it. Oh, yay, you can still see a lot of the detail. So we have a number, and the number will change in the area, but the title down below. Hopefully you can pick this up on the screen. I love this one. It's so pretty. The symbolism is really great in the images. And sometimes it's really easy to see the faces, and sometimes you have to really look for them. Little turtle. The quality feels really nice. It feels just like a smaller size of the original. Little llama. It's got so much whimsy and fun. It's gentle. So pretty. Clean it up. I like the size of this too. For a pocket size, it feels really good in the hand. You can still see a lot of the imagery. Oh, I love, love, love this one. Look at the baby. It doesn't feel like the images are muddy. Everything's very clear. And it says past and future. You are here. The quality, yeah, that feels really good. Everything feels like as it should, as the original. So I'm excited. As with all the other videos with my pocket size reviews, I love a pocket deck to just throw in my bag when I leave, because when I go and visit friends and family, it is inevitable that we do readings. So it's nice to be able to travel a little bit lighter, not so clunky. And then this is kind of like one of those things where if these cards get a little messed up through the traveling, I'm not like super upset about it, because again, they're tools, but at the same time, to me, it's considered like a travel deck. This is great for those of you who have smaller hands, because it'll be a little bit easier for you to shuffle. And the price point is really good too, so if you really wanted to check out this deck, it's a cheaper option to check it out, because you get the same information in the guidebook. You're not missing out on anything other than a bigger size. The land of milk and honey, it always reminds me of Winnie the Pooh. So whenever I see this, that's in the heffalumps. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm shocked, but I like it. I think this is going to be fantastic. Okay, yeah. Whoop. Let's go overhand. Yeah, the size feels really good in the hand. shuffles just great. Is that the same card? No. We're going to read for TikTok, not the app. But yeah, it feels really good. I'm excited. Okay, so this is a reminder of what the TikTok looks like. Number 30. Okay, essential meanings. These are like keywords. Timelessness, divine timing, immeasurable time. The Oracle's message. When humans created time, everything changed and contracted. People have come to look at life in a linear way, imagining that the past is behind them and the future ahead of them. But what if that isn't true at all? What if everything, creativity, beauty, chaos, and order, were happening now in a glorious timelessness? You have all the time in the world to co-create the life you desire, so release your agenda. Let go of your need to shape each moment to your expectations, knowing that what is yours will never be withheld from you. Miracles are here right now and always show up when you need them, right on time. Then we have a message in regards to relationship. Love the fulfillment of desire, and even the body's reproductive cycles have their own timetable. Some things are preordained and cannot be coerced. Everything has its season, its divine and appropriate timing, especially when it comes to the matters of the heart. Remember that you always have enough time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give it, and receive it. Its clock is internal and ticks according to the beating of your heart in perfect rhythm. Isn't that wonderful to know? Love is always right on time. Prosperity message. Your prosperity is co-created by your endeavors as they occur in human-made time and the eternal efforts of your most important manifestation partner, spirit, in a divine, measureless time. So keep doing what you're doing. Stay positive and make a commitment to remain in high vibration, thoughts and feelings. If you heed the message of this card, it will seem as if you will align with your highest calling and your highest good in no time at all, like magic. So what's all the fuss about not having enough time? The prosperous life that is yours will never pass you by. And protection message. Have you been feeling as if the clock is ticking and gotten a little nervous that your dreams are taking too long to manifest? There is nothing to fear. You will never run out of time for the most important things. The miracles that are yours and yours alone can't be missed. Isn't that amazing? You are in such capable hands with guides and angels hovering in the invisible spaces, ensuring that your journey will be filled with all sorts of goodies. Let your anxiety be gently dispelled by your faith. Spirit will never deny you your highest good. All is yours in divine, appropriate timing. You can relax. All right. So I love this oracle. I love the size of it. I love the quality of it. The cardstock is great. It's just flexible enough. It's like that medium thickness that I really like. Okay. So now I want to just see the size comparison to the original here. So there's the side-by-side. Okay, yeah, it's nice. It's a really good size. I like it. Quality is the same. We have the same gloss. All right. Comparison in the side-by-side to the pocket and the original. Same card. Yeah, absolutely great. This one might be even a little bit darker too. So I like that they illuminated it a little bit more. That's really cool. I'm impressed. I like it. Again, same information in this guidebook. The only thing you're missing is the picture of the card. So that is not a deal breaker for me at all in a pocketbook, in a pocket deck. So it's good to go. I'm excited now that I have this. I would love to know what you guys think. Is this a deck that you already own in the original and you love? Is this like a deck that is a go-to for you? Do you need to have the packet? What do you think? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. I am super thankful and excited. And if you guys have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out tremendously with the algorithm gods. Thank you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.